Okay, so I've decided I'm going to peel it off so I can reuse the tape. So I'm going to use this little guy here and just kind of work it off. So there we go. I don't really want to use metal in here, but okay, bravo. Looks like that's off. Almost. Almost off. There it goes. Loosened up. And so now I need to remove the move the cable up and out so that the screen can be removed somehow from the carrier while leaving the battery attached to the back of the carrier. Alright, so it appears that we need to continue to peel back this material here, sticky material, make room for, get rid of the gum that's holding this piece in.
Well, here's the old
The sticky tape from the back here is caught onto the back of the covering that's on the LCD and has peeled the LCD and peeled this backing away from the back of the LCD. So I'm going to undo that. There it goes. And now see how I can see what way I can destroy this thing at this point. Oh, I didn't. I'll be darned. There it comes. So now set that aside and take a look at this. We got this little tiny bit of sticky stuff that holds the thing in place, so we'll just realign that and prepare that to be reassembled. I'll have to do that in a minute. And I want to be careful I'm not going to short anything as I set this metal down. I don't want to short any contacts on the motherboard. So probably put something down here to isolate it so that you don't. Alright, so let's peel this off here and get a better idea how this is going to work. Okay, so it protects the sticky material that's going to hold it down to the backing. So, alright, so we'll just go ahead and fit this in there then. Okay, so since they give me that little stickum there, I don't have to worry about that piece of adhesive that I had decided what to peel off instead of cut off. But so I just flattened it down. So the screen's going to go in here pretty much like that, right up against its mount, and very gently held in place by those that material. This has got a plastic covering on it, sticky covering on it that I can remove later, so that it allows you to touch it by, of course. And then, now that we've got that there, I don't know. There it is. Okay, where are you? There that goes. There. That's a little firmer sounding. There. All set down perfect. Ah, wait. What is this? Oh. A protective sheath here. On the back of the screen, a protective sheath that needs to be removed first. Oh. Interesting that the instructions didn't say anything about that. My. Who would have thunk? So, that's probably why I'm having trouble here. Yeah, let's get this off. All these tiny little clearances make a big difference. And there we go. Now that'll set down there better. Okay, so now we've got that far. It's time to put these little guys screws back in to hold the carrier in place. So I'm just going to start with this one. And I'll just go around and very lightly put them all in first, just so they get the alignment right. Oh, that didn't go in. And yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and put all these, what did I say, 6 screws back in. Now they all have Loctite on them, but come on. Come on, let's get real here. Well, that's not going in either. Okay, well, I'm going to work on these and I'll come back. Okay, so we're just going to tighten these guys down. Kind of like torquing the head bolts down on your car. Make sure they're all snug here. And of course I have one more up in the corner there that I'll get to. That one I put over here. It's the same size screw. Beautiful. Now I will go ahead and put this down. For whatever reason, I decided to put that there. The inscrutable apple. All right. Looks pretty good. Looks like it's lined up pretty evenly from side to side. It's not touching that contact down there. It's clear. I think I'm ready for final, well, no, I'm not quite yet. Next step, of course, is to put the digitizer into its bezel. And I've done that a couple of times, but I'm going to do it again.